Today we're going to be talking about Pepe Heimer once again. It's an update video. They're rolling out with some massive news, and if you haven't heard about this project yet, well, this is the perfect opportunity to learn about it right now, because the massive upside is still here, the massive potential is still here, and you don't want to miss this. If you want to learn more about this, well then let's not waste any more of your time and jump straight into it. So again, today we'll be covering Pepe Heimer. We have some massive news on this. Basically, if you haven't seen Pepe Heimer before or don't know what it is about, well, check out my previous videos on the channel. I have covered this project before many times and explained it all in much detail. But if you want a quick brief on what this is, well, it's Pepe Heimer Layer 2 blockchain. Basically, they're introducing a Layer 2 blockchain which offers zero fees. It offers atomic Heimer file, which basically automatically farms yield under all market conditions for you. And they also offer gem fission, which helps PEHEM holders, PEHEM their native project token, holders find hidden gems with one touch. So basically the utilities here, they have a lot of different things such as DEX, bridge, staking, atomic Heimer file, rollups. Basically the utility is here. That is why we're covering it again and again and again. And I do want to introduce you guys to the latest project news. I'll also have all of the links down below in the description, so if you want to be the first to know about all of the news that are coming out on the project, make sure to give them a follow on their X or Telegram account. But basically what I have to talk about to you today is that they do have their listing date confirmed again on October 17th. So mark your dates, because this is when the token is going to be going live. They also introduced a new feature which is their ROI calculator. Basically, as you can see, it basically predicts the price, right? AI sees where you can. Price action, the meme market isn't logical, it's emotional, viral, and fast. That's why our AI combines memetic velocity, community engagement levels, and influencer impact factors to create smarter meme native forecasting. So basically have an AI live cast on how the price is going to be looking like. So as you can see, the listing price right here skyrockets to above $2, and it'll be hovering around $1.6-1.8 mark. And if we go back to the pre-sale, we can see that 1 PEHEM is right now worth 1 cent. So we can already imagine the same upsell value that this project is offering. Also, this chart is based on Ethereum performance, overall crypto market, and community expectations. Of course, you shouldn't rely on this. Of course, you should do your own research, because nobody is going to be predicting the prices for you. Also, you can enter the amount of PEHEM you have. So for example, we have 100,000 PEHEM, right? This is our ROI and USDT amount. So it's pretty massive, right? But of course, at the current price, would be investing around $1,000, right? So again, the massive upside is still here. Also, my personal share on this chart would be, if this prices are around $1.6-1.8 mark, right, it could realistically bump to $2.54 short term and then correct back to the same range right here. So there's a lot of possibilities that could be expected, but I think this initial pump will of course look like this initial pump, then we're going to be going back down, and then we're going to be slowly consolidating. But I do believe that in short term we should have another pump which should break the $2.4 marks, right? Because Pepe Heimer has already raised over $25 million, and a strong push in price is very, very highly possible. Again, if listings hit 0.5 cents, you already have a 33x ROI, and if it reaches $2, the ROI is over 100x already, right? And again, we have listings on top exchanges such as MEX, LBank, HTX, Uniswap, Bitmart, XT.com, CoinStore. So this is in action very, very much, and you again are exposed to the massive upside still, while there is $25 million already raised. Also, you can win 1,000 ETH auction. So basically all you need to do is just invite your friends and earn 10% commission every time they make a purchase. The top 10 referrals weekly with the highest commission will share a pool of 100 Ethereum. So as you can see, here are the addresses with the biggest amount of referrals, the referral cashbacks, and the Ethereum rewards are represented right here. So this is running for 10 weeks, and with each week you are sharing a 100 Ethereum prize pool each week. Top 10 referrals again every week share the price, and it resets every Monday. So this is all you need to know. Also, they are launching soon the AI demo tools. So basically it's a game-changing move combining meme coin culture plus DeFi AI, and internal sources suggest that Pepe Heimer may secure a major investment to build DeFi infrastructure, making PEHEM truly unique. So they also have a lot of utility coming soon, but the demo AI tool is coming out first. Also guys, one thing that I forgot to mention back at the win 1000 Ethereum auction thing is that they are actually providing proof that they're paying out the rewards. So as you can see, the number one address right here, referred 180 wallets, has received 12 Ethereum, and by clicking this link right here on the wallet, you can see that it's actually paid out. So $50,000 going straight to that exact address just for referring friends. So if you're really serious about this one, you could definitely earn a lot of money, not even with the referral cashback. So he earns $2,000 extra on top of his $50,000, which is insane. Also guys, the last thing that I want to mention to you guys is that they are including a 100% bonus right now if you buy. So you don't even need a code. All you need to do is just literally go ahead and click the amount you want to spend. So for example, you want to buy 10 Ethereum worth of PEHEM, you don't even need to enter any codes. You will automatically receive a 100% bonus. So this is a hidden and exclusive feature which does not appear on the website but is indeed happening, so keep that in mind. So combined with the upcoming listing price potential and the 1000 Ethereum auction event, investors have a real shot at life-changing games with Pepe Heimer, in my opinion. So with this being said, that's about it for Pepe Heimer. Let me know what you think about this one down below in the comments. Again, this is an update video. As always, we have these every week, specifically on Pepe Heimer project, just because it is such a massive pre-sale and recovery so early. So this gem is definitely not to be looked down on still, because there's still a lot of upside that you can be exposed with. So as always, thanks for tuning in to our more videos, and as always, I'll make sure to catch you in the next one.